Hello again. Welcome to understanding basics of Cypress. I think let's get started. So Cypress is a JavaScript test automation tool. जो भी चीज़ ब्राउज़र में रन होती है, anything that runs in the browser, we can test it using Cypress. Cypress एक next generation web automation tool है. जैसे जैसे हमारी वेब मॉडर्न हो रही है, we need test automation tools to be modern. So Cypress is one of the most modern tools for test automation. If you can see on my screen, इसमें all we need to do is first we set up the test, then we write test, उसके बाद हम टेस्ट को रन करते हैं and then we debug test. टेस्ट को सेटअप करने से मुराद ये है कि we will think about what this test is all about. और फिर हम टेस्ट के स्टेप्स लिखते हैं in which we interact with different web elements, and then we apply assertions, and then we run that test. And if we want to debug that test, we can do that as well.